I'm in halfway. What's going on, everybody? This here is the executive strike and spare. It just recently became abandoned 8 weeks ago, from what I read. Trying to see if there's a way in. I'm pretty sure there is a way in, some way, somehow. There's a bird right there. That's locked. Hardly see in there. Maybe a no-go, y'all. Again, abandoned. Executive strike and spare. I was hoping side entrance would be accessible, but it's bolted shut. So let's try the front. Hopefully the front can succeed. Locked. Yeah, I believe they got it all boarded up and whatnot. That'll be the main entrance there. That bird scared me. Homeless been here. I'm trying to find every way possible of an accessible point. There's like strips of wire right there. So somebody obviously made their way in some way. Yeah, that's boarded up. That's boarded up. Probably around back. It's worth a try. You know? Boarded up. Oh shit. Missed a step right there. There's a back way over here. See parts of the Kentucky Kingdom over there. Ain't that cool? Yeah, let's hope there's an accessible point in the back. Let's board it up. That's boarded up. Man. They don't want nobody in there, do they? It's back over here. May be able to show you all through the glass. Yeah, I am. Hold on. Yeah, somebody also made their way in some way, somehow, shape or form. But how? It's part of the inside there, y'all. Try to take a picture if I can. So that'll be the way in if some way, somehow it'd be accessible. Huh. Interesting. At least I've seen part of it on the inside. Let's see. I'm gonna check back here. It's very muddy. Yeah, I don't see no other way back there. Oh. So now there is this one spot, this gated spot. That could be a possibility, but too risky to try to attempt. They have not yet to board that up. So hopefully past years or past future years or months, somebody will make an accessible point. Because I don't see any other accessible spots beside that bar gate area. So it was worth a try, to say the least. I want to take a look at the bar, the gate bars area, see if there's a way in that way. They got this all boarded up shut completely. Like completely boarded up. Executive strike is bare. It's starting to get dark now. Man. No luck, Bird flying. Like I say, future months or years, maybe accessible point then, but I don't think there is now. There's the whatchamacallit. Very cool. Kentucky Exposition Center. That's what it's called. There's 2 entrances that could be made to get in. There, and one behind it. A lot of stuff in there too. Alright, there we go. Very cool. It still smells like a bowling alley too. Just from throughout the glass. Very cool indeed. There's a bowling ball right there. That was cool to see at least. Again, I'm gonna try to squeeze in if I could. They've had so many bad reviews of this place. And that's just an electrical thingy. Coke bottle, like somebody been in there. Possible gateway through there. On the corner, I don't know what the corner is though. Right there too. Possibility there. I'm in halfway. Low light for a minute. Yeah, I'm in. So far, I'm in. That's locked though. So that's how far I was able to go in. So this leads outside. Yeah, that's how far I'm able to go in, y'all. For right now. I don't see anywhere else. I was hoping this would be the way in. But it's not. Yeah, this is not the way in. I don't think. Oh yeah. It's not. There's no other way to possibly get through. And I did try. So hopefully in the future, there's a way to go through. So, I hope y'all like this video. Be sure to like, share. And until next time, KPE Paranormal. Love and peace.